Have you ever walked out in your yard and thought, that looks delicious? Hi everyone, Alex with Plant Wisdom here. I wanted to talk real quickly about Henbit. It is a Mediterranean relative of in the mint family. Okay, so it got way too windy out there.
Holster, and I don't know what they've sprayed.
What I was trying to say is that Henbit is it's in the mint family, and you can usually tell mints or things in the mint family by they have square stems. So if you cut it off, that will be square, and then the leaves, you'll have two leaves coming out like that, and then it'll grow up. You'll have two more growing. That's exactly how Henbit grows. But anyway, so being part of the mint family, it is edible. It has the flowers are kind of sweet if you just munch on the flowers, but the stems and leaves are all edible. They kind of have a spinachy, lemony, peppery kind of flavor. It's actually really good. It kind of has a kind of a chewy texture. That said, I wouldn't just go out and munch kind of on it in the wild. There's so many places that spray pesticides, or dogs or cats that walk by. You don't want to just go eat it off of your lawn, even though you theoretically could. Either harvest it out of your backyard or be sure and wash it very well before eating it. Flowers are very high in nectar and pollen, so they're really nutritional plant for bees, especially this time of year when there's not really much else blooming that they can eat. Just about all bees will go to the flowers. It is what's called an ephemeral annual. The life cycle of annuals is sprout, grow, bloom, seed, and then die. Typically that happens over the course of half a year, a few seasons, something like that. But an ephemeral can happen in a couple of weeks. And that's exactly what Henbit is. It sprouts kind of late January, grows through February, and then blooms in March. Sometimes February, depending on how quickly it gets warm. And what that means is you can enjoy the the lush green and purple in your yard without it affecting any of your other plants. Even if you have fescue, it'll just pop up through it and then die as soon as it gets warm. So it's nothing to worry about. It doesn't mean you have weed infestation. Those seeds are there regardless of whether they sprout. So just let them grow, enjoy it, have a snack, watch the bees. It's a really pretty attractive and helpful plant.